All right, working on installing the back seat belts. So looking from the rear left side, so this is your rear driver's side, and moving over. So kind of the layout here. These overlap here. Okay, these overlap like that. All right, and then we've got our 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'll get those bolted in, and I'll show you how they turn out. All right, got one so far. So what I did was, again, I'm using the caulking strip again, and I'm putting it around the edge here. And you can see it really squeezed out pretty good. So I just get your fingernail and just scrape away at that. And then, of course, my sound deadening sheet looks like it smashes down. It has also a good seal too, so to keep water from coming in. But I'll tighten this one down, and you'll see how it squeezes out. And then for the install, as you can tell, this here, this bracket here is pointing in the up position. The seat belt goes like this, and the ones here in the center, the bracket points down and the seat belt goes up, and then the one over here is similar to this one. So if you look at it, it comes up like that. So we'll get the others in. All right, so I got these in, and here you can see the caulking squeeze out. That way you know you're sealed all the way around in there. You can't really see these here because the seatbelt is, the bracket's double stacked. All right, there we go. So you can see how this bracket's down, this one's up. The seatbelt comes up, showing the oh, this one tag is gone. But here again, there's the tag up, brackets down, tags face out. Okay, all the tags face out. Okay, and that's it. I'll do the front passenger and driver's side later, but